Morning, children. Welcome to your EVS class. Hope you all have read lesson 4, Me and My Neighborhood, and now you are able to differentiate between the religious and the national festivals. Today in EVS, we are going to discuss the importance of games. Playing is very important to keep the body fit. Different types of exercises makes the body strong. If we exercise regularly, we will not fall sick. Children, do you know what is playing? Yes, playing is something that we do in our free time. Playing helps us to keep our body strong and healthy. There are two types of games that we play: indoor games and outdoor games. Now let us see how outdoor games helps us. Children, you all love to play outdoor games. Outdoor games are usually played outside in the open. They are played in the park with friends. This keeps the body fit. It is a kind of exercise. Now let us see the different types of outdoor games. Skipping and hopscotch are the games that increase our skills like balancing and thinking as well. Football and basketball are the games that are played in the playground, which gives us physical exercise. They help us to increase our physical energy. Also, they are played in a group, which teaches us to work as a team. Other outdoor games are lawn tennis and cricket. Outdoor games are played in the open and provides us the fresh air. It also helps us to stay fit and make our body stronger. Children, now let us see about indoor games. The games which are played inside a house or school are called indoor games. Indoor games are played when weather outside is bad or when it is raining. Now, in the lockdown period, you all are in the house, and children, you all are playing different types of indoor games like chess, ludo, carom. Now let us see the different types of indoor games. Games like carom and Scrabble increases our ability to concentrate. We can play indoor game when the weather is too hot or too cold outside. Games like chess and jigsaw puzzles increase memory power. Not all indoor games are played by sitting only. Children, do you know table tennis is an indoor game which played on a table with rackets and ball? Badminton is also an indoor game. Children, you will be reading page 23 and you will come to know more about the outdoor games and the indoor games. Now turn to page 24. It says practice time. Question A. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. A family shares and dash for each other. Answer is cares. 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 Number 2. On Independence Day and dash national flag is hoisted. So which day? Yes, Republic Day. REPUBLIC Republic DAY Republic Day. Number 3. Special dash is made on festivals. What is made? Yes, food. FOOD Food. Number 4. Outdoor games are played in park. Park. Now question B, it says match the festivals. Children, you are going to do it yourself by drawing lines with the words and the pictures. Now page 25, exercise C. Tick what you do with your family and friends. So this exercise also you have to do it yourself. Now let us do some exercise in a EVS exercise book. So get ready with your book. Now children, on the blank page you will draw or paste 4 different types of outdoor games and you will write below the game's name. On the next blank page you will do the same thing but with the indoor games. You will draw or paste 4 indoor games and you will write the names of the games. On the right hand side page, write the date and the topic lesson 4, me and my neighborhood. Question A, name any 2. Number 1, National Festival. Then leave a line for the answer. Number 2, outdoor games. Then again leave a line for the answer. Number 3, indoor games. Again leave a line for the answers. Now children, write the question, then we will discuss the answer. So children, you all have written the question and the answers. Now let us discuss. Number 1, National Festival. Answer is Republic Day and Independence Day. Now Republic, R will be capital, Independence Day, I will be capital. REPUBLIC Republic DAY Republic Day. Independence Day, INDEPENDENCE DAY Independence Day. Number 2, outdoor games. Now outdoor games, what did you write? Yes, many of you will write cricket and football. Cricket spelling is CRICKET cricket. Football FOOT foot BALL football. Number 3, indoor games. So you have written yes, Ludo and chess. Ludo, Ludo, Chess, chess. So children, your lesson 4 is completed. You will read this lesson and learn all the exercises that are done in the book and in your EVS exercise book. Thank you.